Hello, welcome to our presentation of face detection in attendance system. I'll be giving you a demo of the mobile app with the backend server. The mobile app is developed in Flutter and the backend is hosted by Firebase. Our attendance system is trained on the Friends cast. So I'll be running the app and showing how the detection works. Starting the app right now. We will be presented with the login screen first. I'll try to quickly log in. Adding the username and password. Once logged in, we will be presented with a dashboard with the first tile being the current class happening. If no classes are happening, then such message will be displayed. Teachers can also go into, oopsie. So I don't want to take attendance at this time. I'll just explore the timetable section here. Teachers can go through each and every day and add their own time slots over here. And once the time slots have been added, those time slots will be reflected here and attendance will be taken. Um, Going into attendance, the app will just start up the camera and I'll try to capture the image of this friend's poster. Let me just take my camera, make sure that everyone comes into the frame. So at this point in time my camera is at 3 feet distance from my monitor, just trying to see if it recognizes or not. So currently it is trying to upload the model to the backend server which the ML model is hosted. Once this is done, the app also updates the image to the Firebase storage where the backup of all images are present. And after receiving the heads, as we can see, each and every member from the friends cast has been perfectly identified, and if the attendance is marked as a false positive or false negative, we can simply change by the call to action over here. And once we click on this check mark over here, the attendance is successfully registered. I'll also show up the Firebase panel. So this is the storage section of Firebase, and after refreshing we'll be able to see the latest images that we took from the mobile app. And here we can see the last image that we took. This is the image that we took, and while clicking the image it will just open in a new tab, and we can see the image itself is not the clearest. However, our algorithm has still managed to capture each and every face with a good confidence. The rest of the data is now saved in the Firestore database, which is a NoSQL type of database used in mobile apps because of its speed and real-time updation. So in the attendance section, we can see that all the attendance that I've taken over the time has been saved over here with the confidence intervals and the URL of the images. So that was a demo of this single image. I'll just circle through with different images just to see how good the algorithm is. And this time I'll just take the image of the first two characters, just like that. Let me just take the image. Okay, capturing again the same thing. It will upload the image to the cloud and then update the Firebase database as well as the storage. Picture of Rachel and Monica, and just to see if the model is able to identify the faces or not. And just to be clear, we have not trained the model on their present ages, so it will be um, exciting to see the results. And the model correctly detected both of the um, faces correctly. Also currently we are having some difficulties displaying the counters around images properly, and that is the reason the first image is zoomed a bit. So we have got both of the heads correctly identified by the algorithm without any issues, and both will be marked present. Not Rachel at this time because of its accuracy, but I believe once we train this model enough, we will be able to make the model even more accurate. Moving on to a bit of a more complex image. On this one has a bit more colors. Just trying to see if this works or not. Bringing the phone in landscape, just highlight the image and take the photo like that. And double checking the results, each and every character of the friends has got a perfect hit. Again, there are caching issues with Flutter framework in the images, but the attendance itself have been perfect. This is all for the mobile bit. We'll also explore the backend part a bit more, and which will also cement the photos,